Hello and welcome to the National Debate. I'm Madhavdas Gopalakrishnan. Viewers, less than a week is left before the Mahakumbh ends, the largest religious congregation in the world. Over 50 crore devotees have taken the holy dip at the Sangam, from global celebrities and foreigners to even Indians from every corner of our land. From top leaders of the BJP to the top brass of opposition ranks, everyone lined up for the blessings of Ganga. However, even before the Kumbh started, it was in the eye of the storm. Opposition left no stone unturned to target the Yogi government over the sacred gathering. Starting from Akhilesh Yadav to Mamata Banerjee to Jaya Bachchan to Lalu Prasad Yadav and even Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge gave out statements that the BJP said was nothing short of fear-mongering and maligning Sanatan. The attacks ranged from Mrityu Kumbh to Ganga contaminated with dead bodies and branding Kumbh Faltu. Take a look at these controversial remarks.
उनसे कहिए जाकर के स्नान करते समय मुंह में पानी लें।
बॉडीज जो पानी में डाल दी गई हैं, उससे पानी कंटामिनेट हुआ।
अरे तब कुंभ का क्या कोई मतलब है? फालतू कुंभ।
मैं महाकुंभ में दिवंगत लोगों को श्रद्धांजलि देता हूं, जिन्होंने आज हजारों की संख्या में वहां पर अपनी जान दी है।
So what really, of course, are these controversial statements? You've seen some of them. Let's quickly take a recap of what these statements are and what the debate has been surrounding them. Well, Mamata Banerjee comes out to say that the Mahakumbh is equal to Mrityu Kumbh. We see Yogi Adityanath say that India Bloc is leading the smear campaign. There's also, of course, a statement of Akhilesh Yadav saying that DD's attack on Kumbh is apt. We see Yogi Adityanath coming out to say that India is spreading lies in the name of Kumbh. Let's quickly also bring out the next statement. This is the statement of Lalu Prasad Yadav, who says that Mahakumbh is Faltu. And then we see Yogi Adityanath coming out to say that Kumbh beaters are anti-Sanatan. These are some of the statements that have come in over here. Let's quickly, in fact, listen into the reaction of Yogi Adityanath as well to these controversial statements.
पहले दिन से ये चर्चा, पहले दिन से ये अफवाह और इस प्रकार का दुष्प्रचार आपके द्वारा निरंतर होता रहा। समाजवादी पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष भी जो शुरू से विरोध कर रहे थे, अंततः चुपचाप जाकर के डुबकी लगाए। काहिरा का वीडियो लेकिन महाकुंभ के साथ जोड़ करके दुष्प्रचार किया था। नेपाल का वीडियो महाकुंभ के साथ, झारखंड की किसी घटना को महाकुंभ के साथ, यानी सनातन धर्म के इस महायोजन को फालतू उनको दिखाई देता है।
For more of this, let's go right across to our guest. Joining us is Charu Pragya, spokesperson of the BJP. Karan Verma, author, is with us here in the studio. Also with us is A.K. Vajpayee, advocate of Supreme Court and spokesperson of the LJP. We have with us also Dr. Mumtaz Alam Rizvi, who's a political analyst. We have with us C.A. Pradeep Bhati, national spokesperson of Samajwadi Party. Ashutosh Mishra, senior journalist, joining us, as well as Rajiv Riaz Pratapgadi, spokesperson of the AIMIM. Let me start with you first, Mr. Pradeep Bhati. Is nothing but a maligning of Kumbh and of the Sanatan Dharma. Wrong videos have been put and have been linked to stampedes at the Prayagraj incident is what is being stated by the Chief Minister. He's saying all in all, it's an attempt by opposition to malign the Kumbh and Sanatan Dharma. Your response?
BJP and Mr. Yogi is trying to play with the lives of lakhs and crores of people, of devotees. He is not concentrating on the mismanagement that is happening in Kumbh. He's not talking about the poor planning. He's not talking about whatever misarrangement he has done in the Kumbh. He's more talking about what other people have made the statements, which is not true. Mr. Yogi was trying to build a ladder to reach Delhi, and that was the prime goal, or spending of 10,000 crores only to beaming his face. It's nothing more than the arrangement needs to be done for the Kumbh, which is faith, which is a belief and faith of every Indian, which we believe as Samajwadi Party also believe that this Kumbh, which is happening from last so many years, we have also done a very fantastic successful Kumbh, and it was awarded awarded by the Howard.
There are questions. There are questions. It's debatable.
fantastic.
It's debatable because CAG report was there. They have done a fantastic Kumbh arrangement. Mr. Yogi Adityanath did it only as a means, as a ladder to get to Delhi, and there are problems in the management which you are not talking about. Please respond to it.
So sadly, I will have to show him the mirror here. When they organized the Kumbh in 2013, the Prime Minister of Mauritius refused to take a dip because the water was so obviously dirty. Didn't want to get in. The amount of mismanagement was such that so many devotees lost their lives, and you did not even look after that. More importantly, after Samajwadi Party won 224 seats in Uttar Pradesh, they found Azam Khan to lead the Kumbh preparations, who did not even apologize, not even apology, after devotees lost their lives. That's their idea of a brilliant Kumbh be organized. Let's compare it. Let's compare it, Madhav. From 7 crore odd people visiting it in 2013 to nearly 60 crore today. 59 crore number has been surpassed. There are 8 lakh workers there, 40,000 police personnel, numerous CCTV cameras. The cleanliness factor has been completely taken care of. Let's also understand. One minute. I'm not done. Because I know these numbers are mind-boggling for you.
Yeah,
understand also that it has generated a revenue of over 3 lakh crore for UP Sarkar, a number which far surpasses any estimates done before.
Okay.
So today, when 60 crore devotees visit one place on earth, and it has never happened before, Madhav, this is a number which has never come to one place before.
The larger point you're making, of course, accountability is important. One second.
You are launching a plan against Sanatan.
Okay. Charu, the point is, Doctor, I'm just coming to you. The question I'm asking is, you see what Mamata Banerjee says. She says Mrityu Kumbh. Mr. Akhilesh Yadav defends that. You see Lalu, he says it is faltu. The point is that all of this is being seen. While administratively, certainly you can take on each other and have the political debate, no problem. The point being made is, why insult the Sanatan Dharma? Why slander the Sanatan Dharma? That's the question being asked.
Everybody is questioning the mismanagement of Kumbh. Nobody is questioning the Sanatan.
Right.
First thing. Second thing, she was talking about the Kumbh happened in 2013. The 2013 Kumbh, there were deaths on the platform, railway platform, which was managed by the central ministry. It was not done. There was no death in the premises of the Kumbh. This time it has happened on the railway station as well as. Please do not interfere in between. Let me complete my point.
Yes, make your point. Okay, make your point.
Second thing, she was talking about the misappropriation of funds. It was happened in 2019 also. I have the CAG report and I'll read India Today's and other reports. I'll read it. CAG report में करोड़ों की रुपए की अनियमितताएं उजागर हुई, खर्च से अधिक भुगतान हुआ, सरकार को कोई मानक तय नहीं किए. Second thing, she was talking about 2000, which is Earth Kumbh, which was not Kumbh, which is Earth Kumbh only. In Earth Kumbh only, they have done raise the question of Yogi Adityanath government spending. Third point, about the water. Who can deny this CPCB report? Who can question this? She was talking about the cleanliness of water. You have spent 40,000 crores on Namami Gange.
Okay.
What corruption you have done? That the Kumbh is still the river. Namami is still not.
I got your point. Just as you're talking about CAG report of 2013, similar CAG report was there for 2019 also, which found mismanagement. Please respond to it.
My point here is, if you want to attack management, mismanagement, do that. You want to speak against the Bharatiya Janata Party or the government, do that. Why are you calling the Kumbh faltu again and again? That is the statement. Why are you saying कि ये मृत्यु कुंभ है? मृत्यु कुंभ बोला आपने, सरकार को मृत्यु नहीं बोला, सरकार को फालतू नहीं बोला. ये सारे नाम आपने कुंभ के लिए लिए. So this is a very, very clear, focused agenda. malign the Kumbh, say terrible things about it, which shows your nature of being anti-Sanatan again and again.
Let me bring in
and you
others
do
now.
it systematically by spreading fake news.
Okay, now let me bring in other panelists. One second, please. Dr. Mumtaz Alam Rizvi, the point that is being made over here by the BJP is that you're systematically maligning the Sanatan Dharma. What is the need to do that? Criticize the government, criticize the arrangements, but what is the need to bring out statements like Faltu Kumbh, Mrityu Kumbh, etc.? Your response?
Yes, sure. I'm not going to criticize the Mahakumbh, and I'm not supporting the Lalu ji, Samajwadi Party and others. But I want to know about the Namami Gange. What is the, this is a very important program that creating a sewerage treatment capacity, creating the river front development, river surface cleaning, biodiversity conservation, and public awareness, industrial affluence monitoring. But where is program? Where is Namami Gange? I want to know. Because last 10 years, the Modi government is running government. But I know, we know that the Namami Gange program has been failed.
Okay, Namami Gange has failed. Karan, I want to comment on this.
Mismanagement.
It's actually one of the points we're going to be debating very soon. But since a direct question has been asked, Namami Gange has failed. That's why we're talking about the dirty water in
गूगल कर लें, गूगल मेरा मानना है चला लेते होंगे. यूएन के टॉप 10 वर्ल्ड रिस्टोरेशन फ्लैगशिप प्रोग्राम्स में नमामि गंगे फीचर करता है. यूएन ने उसको अवार्ड दिया है फॉर सस्टेनेबिलिटी. थोड़ा सा पढ़ना चाहिए, मेरा ये मानना है.
But you can see,
अरे थोड़ा सा यूएन की साइट पे चले जाइए, मुझे आंसर
आप दिल्ली देख लीजिए.
क्या है
रमना जी, आपने खुद वादा किया कि मैं दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट आएगी दिल्ली में तो हम जमुना साफ करेंगे.
You made a point, sir.
क्या है?
Dr.
मथुरा में जा करके देख लीजिए, वहां जमुना, वहां तो आप
अखाड़ा नहीं है. प्लीज लेट्स गो वन बाय वन.
क्या कर रहे हैं भाई? पढ़ना लिखना चाहिए सब छोड़ के. अब भाटी जी ने एक बात कही, माधव, इट नीड्स टू बी पुट ऑन रिकॉर्ड हियर. ही सेड कि CAG report has said all these things. In 2014, Madhav, 2nd July 2014, when the CAG report was tabled, what did it say? It was a scathing indictment where it said that the deaths happened because of the mismanagement of nodal agencies with the railways. It further went on to say 59% of incomplete works, 77% less fire extinguishers, less ambulances. मैं आपसे ये कह रहा हूं, फिक्स अकाउंटेबिलिटी. इस बार जो कुंभ में हुआ है, वर द CCTVs not working? No, they were working. Were the AI drones not working? They were working. Did ambulances not reach on time? They reached on time. Did fire extinguishers come? Yes, they did come. So talk about specifics. If let's fix accountability. आपके टाइम पे you were proven कि आपका failure था मैनेजमेंट. इस बार मैनेजमेंट में failure नहीं हुआ. What has happened is unfortunate.
No, I am asking.
Was I speaking when you were speaking?
I'm adding one point. Karan, conclude. Yeah.
The fact is, Madhav, they cannot stomach कि सनातन यूनिटी का एक सिंबल जो है कुंभ, where nobody is seeing anyone's caste, they cannot stomach it because इनकी पूरी राजनीति है पीडीए के ऊपर, कास्ट पे बांटने पे. इनसे देखा नहीं जा रहा. अखिलेश यादव has not slept properly ever since महाकुंभ has started because उनकी पीडीए की राजनीति का क्या होगा? यहाँ तो 1 करोड़ 7 लाख की लगा रहे हैं.
I don't know who is having better sleep because these two engines are fighting with each other, so he will understand better. But the question is what he was raising, that CCTV footage was working fine. When where is the footage of the stampede happened? Where is that footage? CCTV is working, drone is working, but there is no footage. There is no list of people got died. There is no list. There is no list of people missing. No, there is no list of number of the people names. There is no list. There is only the total numbers. There is no list.
Okay.
Because as soon as you bring out that list, the hundreds of people will come. That where is my name?
You made a point. Quick
Yogi
response.
has spoken on the floor of the assembly, giving clear details. Your problem is you have to do fear mongering, rumor mongering. See,
has
look
he
at
given the list?
Here.
Has he given the
Akhilesh
list?
Yadav says terrible
No, don't
things.
lie, na.
He is so
Has he given the list? You read it. If you have that list, you read it. How many who all died in that? Who died in the
The amount of knowledge Akhilesh Yadav possesses is clear in the statement that there is no such thing as Mahakumbh. Correct. That's the amount of knowledge you all possess.
That Mahakumbh is not in Vedas. That what is the knowledge you don't challenge other knowledge.
Mahakumbh has been
challenge. I'll challenge Narendra Modi's competency. I'll challenge
No personal debate. I can one second. Ashutosh Mishra. Okay, Ashutosh Mishra, simple question. Mr. Bhati, 1 second. Ashutosh Mishra, simple question. Simple
Do not
question.
scream.
Simple
Look,
question.
Madhav, let me finish what I was trying to say.
Quickly make your point.
The Akhilesh Yadav that you are so proudly quoting here is the same one who calls the Kumbh names and then goes and takes a dubki there. Right? Jaakar bolte, I had a beautiful transforming experience. Uske pehle aap gaaliyan de rahe ho. The same thing's happening with every single
giving a positive feedback.
One by one.
Mallikarjun Kharge says one thing, has 5 of his top leaders go and...
First quick response to Akhilesh.
The problem is with BJP is that there is no positive, they do not understand the positive criticism. So whenever you give the feedback to the government, because there is no, Kumbh has happened.
It is positive criticism.
From number of years, yes, various governments has conducted Kumbh. This is not the first government. This is not the only Sanati government. Every government is Sanati who has conducted. Certificate of who is Sanati and who is not.
Yes,
you are not. You are not competent. Don't think you have the competency to give that certificate.
One second, Mr. Bhatia, enough. Let's bring in others now. Ashutosh Mishra, simple question over here. Whether it is the Congress party, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge says that, going and taking a dubki will not end poverty. He goes and says all sorts of remarks about Mr. Modi and Mr. Shah. The point is, right after that, we see Mr. Digvijay Singh, Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, we see Sachin Pilot, including Mr. Ajay Rai, all Congress leaders going and taking a dip. The only confusion here is that Kumbh is so bad and if it's so useless, then why are so many Congress leaders going? That's the question that they are asking.
So the confusion here is because they are unaware that Congress has had this diversity of view right from the time of Pandit Nehru. I mean, the thing is that people who call others Sanatan Virodhi are trying to become pandas. I mean, for the last 4 decades, they have tried to become pandas of Hindu Astha and mandirs, and they want to earn their notes and votes from there. I will quote what Achar Kripalani said when there was the stampede in 1954 Kumbh. He said that he had gone and he was quoting he started with quoting Gandhiji, that with Gandhiji he went to Haridwar Kumbh, and there it was not about taking a dip in Ganga, washing away all your sins. Kumbh was supposed to be a congregation where people exchanged scholarly views about Sanatan Dharma. And he castigated the Congress government. At that time, the double engine ki sarkar was Congress and UP and Jawaharlal Nehru. So he castigated them. He said, you advertise this, that come here, and you invited everyone. You had this VIP culture. That's the difference between what we see today and what happened then. It's not that you are saying, when you criticize this, you mean, when Lalu Yadav says it's faltu, what he means is that the religious thing, like they renamed Shahi Snan as Amrit Snan.
So
now what to an uneducated
criticism according to you? Mrityu Kumbh is constructive criticism according to you? Mrityu Kumbh, the phrase.
That's Mamata Banerjee's personal view.
So that's
but what I'm trying to say, she's saying it Mrityu Kumbh because, as my co-panelist is saying, how many people have died we will never know. 800 people died in the first Kumbh, and there is as she was saying, there's much more people here in this Mahakumbh. So the deaths will obviously have to be, I mean, we have to take it, the figures that we get from government are doubtable, because we have seen in COVID how they underreported the number of deaths.
No,
that is the problem.
Right to demand an answer, but the point is that unless there is proof, how can you say such things like आप खोदोगे तो आपको लाशें मिलेंगी, bodies गंगा में डाली गई हैं इसलिए water contaminated है. There has to be some basis.
So now the thing is, when the facts are put, when the government data says that the water is not worth taking a bath, you start questioning them. The UP Pollution Control Board had stopped putting up the numbers right for some time. So there is something.
There is reason to disbelieve the government data because the numbers are so huge. The numbers that have been released are probably not correct. Among the many criticisms, also saying that just because we have different views within does not mean that the criticism is not valid. Your response, Mr. Vajpayee.
Just see, the government works according to the investigation and the reports gathered from the field.
and the government has already declared 30 people died. How they can say 1,000 people died? They want to spread rumors. Practically, they are pleasing.
One by one, please. No, this is not correct. He has not spoken.
Yes.
He has not spoken yet, Dr. Mumtaz. Don't do this. Yes.
Practically, the opposition like Congress, Sapa, Lalu Yadav, Mamata Banerjee, they are pleasing one community. And because of that, they want to defame the Sanatan. That is the point. Point is not this, that there is a mismanagement. If 60 crore people are saying, there are chances of non-intentional negligence and duties also. We are appreciating, we are carry forwarding all those negligences and rectifying the same. But how you can criticize, that is the point. Sanatan is the old 1,000 years dharam. How you can say, no, this is a Mrityu Kumbh? It is a belief of 60 crore, 120 crore people of the India, and globally also people are appreciating. You are hurting the sentiments of the Hindu religion people. That is the point. They have no answer. You
She's a Hindu herself. A Hindu can criticize a Hindu. Why do you want to say that Hindus have to just repeat what BJP says?
No, BJP.
That's the problem. आप कंडे नहीं बन सकते. हिंदू धर्म के कंडे नहीं है. We will not allow that.
Sanatanis. It is the question of belief.
आप सनातनी हम
BJP. It is not government. The point is, the Kumbh is being organized for the last 200, 500 years. There is Ardha Kumbh, there is Kumbh, there is Mahakumbh. They say no, 144 years Kumbh cannot be there. What are the evidence you have? It is already written in Shastra.
I asked the same question. What evidence you have? You read the Vedas.
Just go and read the Vedas.
Point out. You bring that Vedas.
Well documented.
It is
well documented.
No, where is that?
What? The Kumbh is not documented.
Show me in which Veda it is written that 144
Kumbh is not documented.
No, documented. Show that. In which Veda it is?
Kumbh existence is not documented. Please respond.
No, not Kumbh. Mahakumbh is Mahakumbh in 144 years. That has to be documented.
Okay, one by one. You asked a question.
So, my learned friend perhaps doesn't know the word Kumbh itself has come from the Rig Veda. It's mentioned also in the Atharveda. The entire story and the entire how the Mahakumbh happened is mentioned in the Puranas. And now, wait a minute.
Listen
now,
to the response.
The reasoning for 144 years, he must know that a Jupiter transit, NASA and other people have now corroborated, it takes 1 year to go through one zodiac. And there are 12 zodiacs we have. Aries, Taurus, Gemini. So it takes 12 years to complete one round, which is when we have the Kumbh. When we have a half a round, we have Ardh Kumbh. And when all of them line up after 12 circles, we have 12 into 12. I'm sure he is able to do that mathematics. It's 144 years after which we have the Mahakumbh. It is well documented. Ab agar Akhilesh ji nahi
Okay, let's not get into this side of it. Let's come to the political issue, please. You raised the point, you got a response.
What is this?
Number 2. 1 second. You have asked a question, sir. You got a response. No. You don't.
I have to reply.
Please don't dominate the debate. We have others. Please, we have other points of debate. One by one.
I have to reply.
One by one.
He is giving the logic. That has to be answered. I asked simple question. Where is Mahakumbh?
We are not getting stuck. We are not getting stuck on one point.
He can show me.
Please allow me to conduct this debate, Mr. Bhatti. No. You will not do that. Let's go back into the points that have been made. Other controversial remarks that have been made earlier during the Kumbh. Akhilesh Yadav going on to say roti is above religion, and then he has gone for a holy stand. This is the hypocrisy that the BJP is alleging. Other controversial remarks made by Jaya Bachchan of Samajwadi Party saying that Kumbh water is the most contaminated, and then we have seen experience positive energy there is what Akhilesh Yadav has said. The third point, a dip in the Ganges won't eradicate poverty, is what Mallikarjun Kharge has said, and then senior Congress leaders, as we mentioned earlier, DK Shivkumar, Digvijay Singh, Sachin Pilot and Ajay Rai, who have taken a dip as far as the Kumbh is concerned. I want to bring you back into this. In fact, Akhilesh, the point being made over here is this, that when you say that dip in Ganges won't eradicate poverty, all sorts of remarks have been made by different Congress leaders, and then we see this contrast. While you may say that this shows, democracy within the party, etc., the messaging that is going out is very confusing to people. People are saying, what does the Congress party really stand for? Are you with the Kumbh? Are you against the Kumbh? Are you with those who are making these remarks against Sanatan Dharma as is being perceived by the BJP?
No, that is a twist that only BJP is trying to give, because as I said last time also, they want to be the pandas of Hindu Astha and mandirs so that they can earn their votes and notes. Here, what you are seeing is, again, in fact, when you talk about Akhilesh and all these, it just adds to what we have been saying, that the poor people are not getting the same sort of facilities there that the VVIPs are.
Yes.
So maybe those VVIPs went there and enjoyed it. and nowhere does Mallika Arjun Kharge say that don't go to Kumbh. He does not say that. And what he says about it not eradicating poverty is the same thing that Kripalani said. That's why I started with Acharya Kripalani. His saying is that believe in religion. There is no harm in that. And he was mocking Amit Shah and others who were going there, and Yogi Adityanath sort of made fun कि चुपचाप जाके डुबकी ले आया अखिलेश. So what does he want? He wants everyone to be like Narendra Modi, go with TV cameras, अपने को दिखाओ जब तक TV पे सही एंगल ना जाए.
Quick response.
It's not about that.
Quick response from Charu.
He talks about Astha, but he feels absolutely comfortable attacking my Astha time and time again. Does he have the courage to do this to the Astha of any other religion, I ask you? You say...
I am a Hindu, I can question my own religion.
1 minute, do not interrupt me. I am asking you something. Now you
I
are
have given you the
talking
reply.
about the Kumbh being Mrityu Kumbh. Can you say the same thing about Hajj? क्या हज में stampede में लोगों की deaths नहीं हुई?
I never go on Hajj. I will never go on Hajj. I am a Hindu. I can talk about my religion.
Let's ask,
you talk about your religion.
Once again, let's ask AMM this
You get
question.
an extra license
Yes,
to attack.
yes.
All right.
My religion allows me. Shankaracharya held these combs so that they can debate.
Charu,
Whether you want to use it to mislead and lie.
Once again, your question to
Rahul
the AMM
Gandhi is on a
spokesperson.
temple run again.
I want him to
इसके बारे
answer
में
the
भी
question
कुछ
that you
बोलो.
posed. Mr. Rajiv Riaz Pratapgarhi, spokesperson of AIMM, please respond to the question posed by Charu Pragya. She says Hinduism is a soft target, therefore such questions will be asked. Will questions be asked of Hajj, where similar stampedes have taken place in the past?
देखिए माधव साहब,
जवाब दीजिए.
This was initially purely was Buddhist congregation, which was started by Raja Harshvardhan.
ये अब नया एंगल
The Puranas.
Yes, I'm telling you. Yes. And this happening all because the decline in the values of politics and in spiritualism. People used to come here to impart knowledge. जब उसका पतन हो गया तो they are harvesting the votes. Please come. और जो भी पाप करना आप करिए, मर्डर जो भी करना आप किया है आपने, आप आइए और धो लीजिए. So definitely it is happening. और लोग मर रहे हैं, वहां भी मर गए और यहाँ रेलवे स्टेशन पे भी मर गए. So this is all happening because they don't have a seriousness towards this congregation. This is used to be a celebration of spiritualism, a spiritual knowledge, and now people are not serious. They are just going to take a dip to wash out.
जवाब नहीं दिया. इनका
the sins.
सवाल ये था कि क्या ऐसी तरह मृत्यु कुंभ इस तरह की चीजें दूसरे धर्मों के जो जितने भी गैदरिंग्स है उस पे कह सकते हैं, ये सवाल था.
सवाल सरकार से ये होना चाहिए कि what way you are calling people. This is not the way you should call people. You come and अपना पाप धो लीजिए सब लोग.
Can you comprehend a number of 60 crore people?
ये क्या आपका क्या है? सरकार को प्रिपरेशन नहीं करनी चाहिए या तैयारी नहीं थी? क्या कह रहे हैं?
The votes. They are trying to convert devotees in the votes. So this should not be done.
No, he
there
will
should not be any
answer
politics.
the select charge.
There's no
he
space.
does not even understand
question.
that the Kumbh has been written about in our Vedas longer than any written history even exists. That you don't understand. Planetary alignment that NASA is agreeing to today.
This has been done.
डॉक्टर रियाज, आपकी अगर लॉजिक एक्सटेंड की जाए, जो जितने 40-50 करोड़ 60 करोड़ जितने भी लोग हैं सब बीजेपी वोटर्स हैं आपके हिसाब से?
They are trying to do that. They are trying to
do that. तो फिर डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर कर्नाटक के क्यों आ रहे हैं? फॉर्मर चीफ मिनिस्टर मध्य प्रदेश के
everybody has
लीडर क्यों आ रहे हैं? तो कांग्रेस के लीडर्स को भी बीजेपी वोटर बना रहे हैं. ये लॉजिक है आपका?
People come and what your sins, जो भी आपने पाप किया आप लोग धो लीजिए.
तो क्या होगा? तो point is that it is a religious
You
event.
should have a proper arrangement for the
religious
people.
event or not, sir?
You need to make a proper arrangement for the people. Who allowed
arrangement?
उसको भी अगर वो नहीं आएंगे तो कहेंगे ये देखिए साहब इनको महाकुंभ से दुश्मनी है, क्योंकि जब अयोध्या में लोग नहीं गए कि भाई लोग जा रहे हैं तो बीजेपी क्या कह रही थी? इनको राम जी से प्रॉब्लम है, इनको अयोध्या से प्रॉब्लम है. कुछ लोग तो इसलिए भी गए कि भाई चलो नहीं तो ऐसा ना हो कि ये फिर इशू बना दें. इनको प्रॉब्लम इस चीज से किसी को नहीं प्रॉब्लम आप जाए या ना जाए. जब आप कहते हैं राम काल्पनिक हैं, जब आप कहते हैं सनातन डेंगू मलेरिया है, और अभी हमारे मित्र जो ये AIMIM के इन्होंने जो अभी लॉजिक दिया, वैसे तो मैं हिल गया लॉजिक सुन के, ये वही लॉजिक है माधव जिसके तहत औरंगजेब एक वली है और आज के जमाने में वली ओवैसी बने हुए हैं. ये वही लॉजिक है जहां 15 मिनट पुलिस हटा दो, उसके बाद जब ये ज्ञान देते हैं, जब ये सरतन से जुदा करने निकल जाते हैं,
बौद्धों के स्तूपों को तोड़ा गया.
ये वही लॉजिक है. तो ये अपनी दुनिया में रहते हैं, बहुत अच्छी बात है. आप जाइए औरंगजेब की कब्र पे जाके फतिया पढ़िए, वही बेस्ट है.
भगवान बुद्ध की मूर्ति को श्रृंगार करके उसको देवी बना दिया गया इस देश में. देखिए कहां गया भगवान बुद्ध का धर्म, कहां गया, विलीन हो गया. चारवाक का
अम्बेडकर जी को पढ़ लीजिएगा,
दर्शन
अम्बेडकर जी को पढ़ लीजिएगा।
कब आए थे? कौन सा साल आए थे?
इस्लामिक एक्सट्रीमिज्म,
इतना डिटेल
बामियान स्टैचू किसने गिराया?
हाँ,
कि तालिबान भाइयों ने गिराया ना?
उन्होंने अपने पाप का प्रायश्चित कर लिया।
बामियान स्टैचू किसने गिराया?
प्रायश्चित क्या है?
बामियान स्टैचू किसने गिराया?
80,000 स्तूपा को
कैसी बात कर रहे हैं
करने जा रहे हैं।
कैसी बात कर रहे हैं आप क्या 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 डिटेल दे रहे हैं? भगवान बुद्ध कब आए थे? कौन से साल में आए थे? बताइए।
2500 साल पहले।
2500 साल पहले एग्जैक्ट डेट पे है आपके पास?
किसकी बात कर रहे हैं आप?
आप भगवान बुद्ध की बात कर रहे हैं? 2500 साल पहले।
यस यस।
सनातन कब आया था वहां पे?
सनातन इज बुद्धिज्म।
सनातन इज बुद्धिज्म।
मतलब आप
सनातन
बोल ही नहीं सकते।
सनातन इज
I have no
बुद्धिज्म।
words. I have no words.
Let me tell you.
If you can understand this logic.
Hindu, let me tell you. Hindu is
Mr.
a
Vajpayee. Mr. Vajpayee, please. Mr. Vajpayee, please.
One side, the Nastic people are there, and one side, the Astic people are there. There can be no debate. There can be no debate. There can be no debate. When you are questioning the Kuba, when you are questioning Kuba, how you can debate? Unless you have Asta, unless you have faith, you can't debate it. Listen,
Okay.
they are the only
Nastic and Astic.
politicizing
Okay, I feel it's a bit extreme. I
They
think it's a
are
bit extreme.
simply trying-
Let me just comment. Just let me comment, Mr. Vajpayee, before you continue. Let's not call people Nastic, Astic. I think that will take the debate into
That's the
another.
only difference. That's the only difference.
Mr. Vajpayee, having said that,
That's the only difference.
there are very controversial remarks and
Very correct, but
there are extremely controversial
That's
remarks.
the
that
only.
have been
You
made.
said so just now. You said so just now. Criticizing management is all right, but when you criticize the entire religion, you are a Nastic.
I'm not.
I say you are a Nastic.
But I want to know, Mr. Madhav, I want to know.
Please, no, I don't believe. But you don't have belief. Please, you do not have any belief. What is I give the another word. You don't have a belief.
Shahi Snan.
उसके पहले होता था।
No. Please tell me what is the Shahi Snan?
What is the Shahi Snan?
Yeah.
You are actually asking a question like that.
Yeah.
Shahi Istan means you just recollect it. Earlier there were the kingdoms. So Shahi Istan used to start from there. That is the clause. But there is no Shahi Istan now. Everybody can go. 60 crore people have dipped. Already dipped 60 crore.
Okay, Mr. Bhatti wants to respond to you. On the questions and also what has been stated at the outset, when I read out those graphics of what is being seen as hypocrisy within the Samajwadi Party. One set of statements and another set of statements which are in complete divergence.
See, the most hypocritic party is BJP only. Now, by referring one or two points, Ram काल्पनिक हैं और माता सीता टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबी हैं, ये दोनों मिनिस्टर्स हैं. दे बोथ आर मिनिस्टर इन यूपी गवर्नमेंट एंड वन इज इन माजी इज इन कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर इन मोदी गवर्नमेंट. सो राम काल्पनिक है. ये माजी ने कहा था, किसी इंडियन अलायंस ने नहीं कहा था, ये कहा था. नहीं, ये माजी ने भी कहा था जो कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर हैं अभी. ठीक है. सेकंड थिंग, हाउ कैन यू क्वेश्चन?
Jitendra Singh, that was about Ram Setu, and Jitendra Singh has said the same thing in parliament now.
Okay, one second. Let's go one by one, please. We can't
Who
do
has
this.
given you right to question my Asta? If I go and believe in my faith, I can go and take the dip in Ganga Ji, in Sangam, in the Kumbh. Who is BJP to question that? If I am raising question about the deaths of people, the purity of water, about the mismanagement, they are started questioning our
There's no
faith
problem.
itself.
No problem.
No, I am raising my question. If I can,
Absolutely.
if I am
I
going
agree
to,
with
no, you raise that point.
No,
you
I
raise
agree
the
with
point. Why you are going and taking the dip when on one hand you are asking the question?
Phrases such as Brityokom, using phrases such as Paltu, do you think that is acceptable? According to you, in your personal view, tell me.
Everybody is questioning the mismanagement. Everybody. So different phases are used. So different phases are used. Don't go on those phases. Don't hide behind those phases. Answer what is being asked. See,
that
the
is what is
reports are
politically correct
coming. The
rhetoric.
reports are coming.
This is why you have a political correctness and a parliamentary rhetoric.
we
Because there are
have
certain,
that- we are giving-
certain modes of
No, when
expression
we are
that are
asking
acceptable. There are certain modes of expression which are not acceptable.
When I'm
and that
asking,
is what they're talking about.
Madhav, when I'm asking to give you the list of people who have died, I am giving justice to the all Sanatanis.
Nobody's questioning
No,
that.
how can you
Everyone-
raise this question? Because no, I will not give the list. I have given 30 people died. So this shows your double face. You are not Sanatani. You are more concerned about the gaddi you want to achieve, to reach at the last with this Kumbh Mela. That is our question. Don't question the Sanatanis.
Karan, quickly respond.
एक मिनट भाटी जी, जब अखिलेश यादव बोलते हैं ये छपरी है जो यहाँ पर गए हैं, ये आपको क्या कंस्ट्रक्टिव
उन्होंने कभी नहीं कहा। नो नोबडी हैज सेड दैट।
पार्टी ने कहा है, आपकी पार्टी के मीडिया से
अखिलेश यादव जी, ही इज रेफरिंग अखिलेश यादव जी made an
Is your party media cell which put out that tweet? Are they wrong to say that? Are they wrong to say that?
आपको पता है इकोनॉमी को क्या बूस्ट मिलता है?
It's not Akhilesh Yadav. I agree.
It was not mentioned in my party official handle. And what official Akhilesh Yadav?
I'll bring out that tweet. I'll bring out that tweet.
It was the official media cell.
No, media cell is not official. Our handle. First thing.
Sir, your media cell handle is put it out from the best of my memory. I'll bring out that tweet. I'll bring out that tweet.
Handle is Akhilesh Yadav.
I'll bring out that tweet. I'm just going to ask my research team to pull out that tweet. I'm going to ask my research team to put out that tweet where the word chapri was used, and in fact it's there as part of my research. Just quickly bring it up.
But let me कुंभ के बारे में क्या रोटी नहीं मिल रही आपको पता? आप तो इकोनॉमी जानते हैं ना?
Food.
आप इकोनॉमी जानते नहीं?
You are not getting water. You are not getting other facilities.
कुंभ से रोटी नहीं मिलती, गरीबी नहीं मिलती। जवाब दीजिए, इधर उधर मत जाइए। इधर उधर मत जाइए।
रोटी means food.
बात कीजिए, बात पकड़े गए हैं। जवाब दीजिए इकोनॉमी का। इकोनॉमी को बूस्ट मिलता है कि नहीं मिलता है कुंभ से? आवाज तेज कर सकता हूं। आवाज तेज करके यहाँ मत कीजिए। कुंभ से इकोनॉमी को बूस्ट होता है कि नहीं होता है? झूठ बोलते हैं आप लोग। विकास की विरासत इनकी पकड़ी गई है। इनकी चोरी पकड़ी गई है यहाँ पर।
Water. People are not getting all convenience. People are not getting transportation. People are not getting any facility. So if we are asking these questions,
ask those questions. Then ask those questions. But why link dharam with roti? That is the question that everybody is asking.
If I don't get food, if devotees are not getting food, the facility is not provided. If I question that, I am questioning dharam.
That is not the point. That is not the point. The point is it comes out as being very anti-Hindu. Your response.
No, if I ask questions.
It is no. You ask questions about arrangements. Nobody has any problem with that. In a democratic country, every opposition party has a right to ask questions. Nobody is asking you that. The point is linking it to poverty, linking it to food. That is the point.
अगर food नहीं आ सकता है तो that is also UP stands second last in the per capita income. UP stands. अगर इससे food आ रहा है, that is also valid question.
You made your point.
This is also valid question.
He needs to stop screeching first. And secondly, अगर ये खाने की बात करते हैं, करोड़ों डिवोटीज को खाना मिला है, मुफ्त में खाना मिला है, और 3 लाख करोड़ की अगर रेवेन्यू आ रही है सरकार के पास, तो क्या हर कॉन्टेक्स्ट में रोटी का काम पूरा नहीं हो रहा? आई डोंट नो व्हाट ही टॉक्स अबाउट। देन ही वन पर्सन सेज पर्सनल ओपिनियन है मृत्यु कुंभ बोलना। पर्सनल ओपिनियन इज एकोड बाय समाजवादी पार्टी चीफ अखिलेश यादव सेज दीदी सही बोलती है। फिर आप खुद कुंभ में जाते हो और कहते हो पॉजिटिव एनर्जी मुझको यहां पर आकर मिली है। तो भैया आप झूठ क्यों फैला रहे हो? एक बात और है, व्हेन दे से कि यहां पर शाही स्नान का मतलब क्या है? एक मिनट, शाही स्नान आप बोलते हो, पहले तो उसको ना अमृत स्नान कहा जाता है। अमृत इसीलिए कहा जाता है क्योंकि गंगा जमुना सरस्वती जहां पर मिलती है हम उसको अमृत मानते हैं, ये हमारी आस्था है, वहां हम स्नान करते हैं। आप कहते हो आज ही के दिन क्यों? हमने आपको बताया 7 planets align and this happens only every 144 years. So when Akhilesh Yadav says महा कुछ नहीं होता, आप महा बुद्धू हैं, सॉरी आप पढ़ते नहीं हैं।
Okay, no problem.
She cannot use these kind of words. She has to apologize. She has to apologize. What she's saying. No. She cannot use that word. No. You have to stop it. No. This is not right.
I have just said it.
ये नहीं पता है कि
let us not do this.
He should apologize.
Madhav, this is not acceptable. Madhav, this is not acceptable. Madhav, this is not acceptable.
Sir, will you please calm down? Charu Pragya, let's not use names against each other.
No, she has to apologize for that. No, she cannot use that word. Otherwise, I will also use that.
I have just said she cannot.
I'm not of that party which using that word.
Nobody should use any kind of apology, any kind of abusive words at all. Let us not get into that debate, please. Let us not get into that. All right. Sir, Chapri is also. Mr. Bhati, Chapri is also an unparliamentary word. Let's not get into that, please. Let's quickly. All right. And this is Mr. Bhatia, this is the tweet that we were talking about.
This is media cell. This is not official handle.
So what is this?
You are not aware of it.
So who is the media cell then? Who runs the media cell?
It's Mr. Agarwal who is handling it.
So then it's not part of Samajwadi Party.
This is not our official handle.
It is not part of your party.
Official handle.
Nobody in your party works for this.
No, any sympathizer or a sympathizers write something. That doesn't mean Mr.
This is not part of your political party.
No, you you are not
Karan
even
Verma,
aware
you're
of.
more familiar.
You are not
You're
even
more familiar
aware
with
of.
UP
This is not
politics.
our official
You can
handle.
respond. It's okay, Mr. Bhatti. Now respond. Now respond.
Now you
Now respond.
then you can't
I
let
hear
him refuse
just
to
refer
run
to
away.
this.
This is not fair.
Karan Verma. Karan Verma.
Almost every fourth or the fifth day, Akhilesh Yadav retweets something from the Samajwadi Party media cell. Now, if Akhilesh Yadav is also ignorant that this is not a verified handle, तो भैया भगवान मालिक है. भगवान मालिक है आपकी पार्टी का.
Tell me.
अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है.
If I
Verified
say something right,
Samajwadi
he will
Party
retweet
media
me
cell.
also. It doesn't mean that this is
So why would you file a case against them? Why would you file a case against them on Twitter?
You do it, na?
Why should we? They are defaming you. You claim that they are not your party. Why aren't you taking action against them? Because the impression goes out that
You are not aware.
Why do you say it's a verified handle?
If the media cell
It is not an unknown handle.
Tomorrow Madhav writes PM of
Absolutely.
India. That doesn't mean he became PM of
Absolutely. They
India.
can take action against me.
If you
That's
write
the whole
tomorrow,
point.
if you write tomorrow that
Mr.
you are
Bhatti,
PM
that
of
is the
India.
point. If you are defaming someone, you can take action against them. And you should, in fact, be need be taking action against
Samajwadi
them.
Party has its own official
I'm
handle.
sorry, your logic does not make any sense. Absolutely no logic, sir.
Handle of
This is a
Samajwadi Party.
tweet. This is a tweet. None of your spokespersons have come to say this is not our party. None
Madhav,
of
I
your
said you give me
spokespersons have
reply.
widely been
Right to
debated.
reply.
And
If
you
you
are
are posting
saying,
me.
and you are saying,
No, if you are
so you have
posting me,
replied
give me
multiple.
right to reply also.
But your replies have to make some sense also.
No, that sense you will not judge, na?
I will judge because I am the answer of this debate.
You are not. You are moderator. You are
Yes,
not judge.
yes. So
no,
please,
you are not.
sense. Why have you not taken action?
You are not judge.
Why have you not taken action,
First
Mr. Bhatti,
clarify your
against
position.
this? If you say
Your
it's not,
party,
if it is not your party's, if it is not your party's tweet, why have you taken action against them? Tell us.
No,
10 सेकंड दे दीजिए इनको एक्सपोज करने के लिए. 10 सेकंड दे दीजिए बस.
Let me answer.
10 सेकंड दीजिए मुझे.
जितना ये
चिल्लाने से
बोल
नहीं
रहे
होगा.
हैं, उतना ये एक्सपोज
चारू
होते
जी
हैं.
प्लीज 1 सेकंड. ये जो हैंडल है इनका, इसको इनकी समाजवादी पार्टी फॉलो कर रही है. इनके सारे स्पोक्सपर्सन विवेक साइलस वगैरह सब फॉलो कर रहे
मेरी
हैं.
पार्टी
भाई
को
ऐसी
नहीं
बातें
है.
मत किया करिए कि आप अपना मजाक उड़ा के जाएं.
मैं रिप्लाई करूं.
4,80,000 फॉलोअर्स
इनके पास रिप्लाई है.
मोदी जी
इनके पास रिप्लाई है.
सुनिए यार.
रिप्लाई दीजिए.
नहीं नरेंद्र मोदी जी फॉलो करते हैं. It means नहीं follow up है. He raised the same question. He raised the same thing. I am giving apple to apple
That's not
answer
a
to
talking
him.
point,
No,
sorry,
no,
Mr.
Samajwadi
Bhatti.
Party
Your logic does not make any sense today. I am sorry, I've given you enough opportunity to respond. Your logic does not make any sense as far as this is concerned. You asked for the facts, you put the facts out. Let's quickly get to the next talking point. Is it safe? All right, enough.
When you get the right answer,
Is it safe to take a dip in the Ganga at Prayagraj? This is what has been found as far as the CPCB is concerned. This is the data which talks about near Shastri Bridge. It is 11,000 mpm out of 100 milliliters, 7,900 mpm at Sangam, 2,500 mpm per 100 milliliters is the maximum permissible limit. This is, of course, what the CPCB has said, and this data has even gone before the NGT. And I must ask, in fact, the question of Charu Pragya. Charu Pragya, this is not a laughing matter because this is about the lives of people over there that we're talking about. It is before the NGT. It is the data of the Central Pollution Control Board, and that data does not exactly make the UP Pollution Control Board look very good in terms of what they've been doing in terms of managing the pollution in the Ganga. Your response?
So, as our Chief Minister Yogi Ji has said on the floor of the Assembly, there is a certain amount of misinformation and a targeted campaign which is being spread against the Kumbh. Let's understand that in these very waters, everybody from our Honorable Prime Minister to so much of our cabinet to 60 crore people have gone. People from all over the world have come for this. Yes, we do understand that when a large number of people are gathered at one place, there could be a situation which the UP Pollution Board has to take care of, but that is already happening. Yogi Ji has also put data on record and he has said that the amount is below 2,000, which is permissible. That has also been called out and been sent to the NGT. NGT is being misquoted many a times. Let's also understand that the very same handle that my not friend here has been trying to promote.
I think we're done with the handle. We're done with the handle.
It's important because Yogi Ji talked about it. Madhav, Yogi Ji talked about it. Let me finish. That handle.
So on the party, we've wasted a lot of time on that debate. We've wasted a lot of time. Please, I'm requesting you. Enough. Ashutosh Mishra, the question on CPCB. Question on CPCB, I want you to respond. The Chief Minister has responded in the House on the issue. He has said that the data given is not correct. UPPCB has also said that data given is not correct. Your response?
So they are now doubting anyone who questions what they are providing. The only data they provide will be right because now even the Modi government CPCB is Sanatan Virodhi and trying to run down No, that is what she's trying to say. You start questioning every agency. Now you even question the government agency run by Modi government. That no, they are giving false data. हमारा योगी ने कह दिया तो वो सही है. Now, one more clarification I want to give. She was talking about Amrit Snan. Amrit Snan is Shahi Snan renamed. That was to just let me explain, because there was because our
there's limited time.
Our Astik friend gave a wrong explanation of what Shahi Snan is and what Amrit Snan is. Amrit Snan, those are held on 4 particular days, and
Yes.
on those the Akharas take part.
that is
They don't even know anything about the religion and they call themselves Astik.
Correct.
So, you know, सबसे पहले तो माधव, this is a scathing indictment of this entire मंडली जो कहते हैं institutions और agencies काम नहीं करती. What can be a bigger hallmark of democracy that a central agency, which is of the BJP, has sent a report asking for an explanation from the UPPCB. So this shows how robust, firstly, our democracy is. How constructive they are. देखिए ये बोलने
don't try to hijack them.
Okay, let him make his point.
ये क्या तरीका है
responding to
भाई?
you. Yeah.
इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग एक्सपोज हुए हैं ये सब कि किस तरह से ये गवर्नमेंट खुद ही सेल्फ क्रिटिकल होती है. एंड माधव, दिस गवर्नमेंट, द यूपी गवर्नमेंट, they installed 10 STPs after that. You know, from 2019 they did take note of that. They installed 10 STPs. Let the reports come out, and if there are questions to be asked, every party should ask them. That is accountability in politics. Instead of that, they resort to Mrityu Kohm. This is the kind of questioning and constructive work we need.
He is talking about
20 seconds, we are out of time. 20 seconds only. 20 seconds.
There
We
are
out of time.
41 STPs and one is following the rule that is given by the NGT report.
10
itself.
STPs,
Second thing, 41
one is
STPs.
not following.
No, 41 STPs.
Wrong.
35s are not following only
Wrong.
one.
Wrong.
No, wrong. Every time he is exposed, he is saying wrong.
You are always exposed.
You
UP
are
second
exposed.
largest
These are
economy of
exposed.
Africa.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we don't have any time. We don't have any time. We are out of time completely. Karan Verma, Mr. Bhati, we are completely out of time on this debate. Charu Pragya, in fact, we'll have to leave it there. I'd like to thank all our panelists. Charu Pragya, Karan Verma, A.K. Vajpayee, C. Pradeep Bhati, Ashutosh Mishra, Rajiv Riaz, Pratap Gadi, Dr. Mumtaz Alam Rizvi. I'd like to thank all of you. Of course, as this debate shows, it's of course a very heated issue. Will this have any impact as far as politics is concerned in terms of management, mismanagement, etc.? And also, of course, the controversial statements that have been made. We'll have to watch out for the last few days of the Kumbh left, and we certainly hope that all of this rises above politics. Thanks so much for joining us on this edition of the National Debate.